Hi YouTube, it's your girl DonneshaRashawna, and I'm back with another video. So I'm about to cook me some dinner, and I want you guys to come along with me.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smashing grass.
So I'm also making chicken rice, guys. So
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment?
Are you fighting with me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me if you're the main one? Are you blaming on me when I'm the main one?
everything is done, I'm gonna fix my kids' plates, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Two hands. No.
Burger meals are amazing. I'll do my food first.
You're not gonna lie in your heart?
I'm not lying.
Yummy. I guess.
Huh?
Dinner is officially done. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.